Infinix has been on a tear lately. Naglabas lang sila kamakailan ng GT20 Pro and it was a huge success. Today naman pag-usapan natin is a GTBOOK. Ang laki ng package na to, and this one is a Core i9 na processor with a 1TB of storage and 32 gigs na memory. I'm really excited. Tara, buksan muna natin. So, laki ng box niya, no? This comes together with a package. So, pagbukas natin, you'll see two boxes inside. Isang box is the GTBOOK itself, and the other box is a accessories. So, simulan natin muna with the accessories box. Inside, we have a Infinix na gaming mouse, a wired na gaming headphones with adjustable volume, and this is probably going to be my favorite. A gaming mouse na LED. Nice. Laki, oh. Infinix GT. Saktong-sakto to pag meron kang GT20 Pro. So that's basically everything inside the accessories box. So right now, we'll jump straight into yung kanyang laptop naman. Pagbukas pala, naamoy ko na eh. Pull out muna natin. Meron tayo user guide. Ganda ng laptop niya. Ganda. Orange, oh. It looks really nice and very game-centric, ah. Gusto ko yung grills na orange, ah. Unlike yung mga conventional na black. Ang ganda ng tingnan talaga, honestly. This is my first impression. And true enough, it looks really nice and sleek, oh. This is a gaming laptop, pero ang gaan niya. Reminds me a lot of yung mga laptop na medyo slimmer size, but this one is game-centric. Normally, pag pinag-usapan natin mga gaming laptops like si Predator and si ROG, mabigat, malaki, heavy, and mahirap i-bit-bit anywhere. But this one, gaan mo, nipis. Oh. Gaming laptop ba yan, Infinix? Parang gaming laptop ang pinasexy. And honestly, I'm really impressed with the kanang design dito outright. There's another box dito, which I think is supposed to be the charging bricks. Kasi pag sinabi mong gaming laptop, it normally comes with a brick like this. And it's not the smallest brick that I've seen for a gaming laptop. It's kind of big. Mas malaki pa sa power bank ko. And yeah, ang gamit naman na dito is 3-prong na cable. So kung naputol tong hinatngat ng daga or ng pusa, it's easily replaceable. Now guys, itong bagong labas ni Infinix na Infinix GTBOOK, may dalawang variant siya. Yung kanyang Core i5 na 12450H is currently priced at $64,999. And of course, yung kanyang most premium variant na meron natin dito, which is the Core i9 13900H, is currently priced at $84,999. I'll be posting the official link on the description box below. So, tingnan nyo lang. So, pag-usapan natin right now ang kanyang aesthetics. What I like dito sa kanya is maganda ang kanyang keyboard layout. Even though that this is a gaming laptop, Infinix was able to put in my favorite numpad dito. Pero mahilig lang talaga ako sa numpad kasi madalas ako ng number crunching. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is masarap mag-type dito kasi malambot ang kanyang keyboard. Medyo tahimik siya. Ito, pakinggan niyo yung sounds ng keyboard. Well, dito sa akin medyo tahimik siya. Yung kanyang trackpad is not the glass finish, so medyo may kunting grip siya dito. No, madulas naman siya. And what I like dito sa kanya is meron siya mga 4 na indicator dito sa gilid, no? Making it look more gaming-centric. Though I was wishing it could have been a little bit bigger. Though medyo mas maliit siya ng konti as compared sa ibang brands, I was hoping na it could have been a little bit bigger. And on the left bottom side, kita mo all the stickers is here, which traditionally makita mo on the right side. So makita mo yung help center na QR code, i9 na sticker, and of course, ang NVIDIA na sticker. And another thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya display dito, which pag-usapan natin a little bit more further later, is yung kanyang anti-glare display niya. Halos pag tinapat mo ng ilaw, oh, yan, oh, hindi siya nag-glare. Unlike sa ibang laptop yung shiny, pag ginlare mo, ay sakit sa mata. Kita mo yung reflection. This one, hindi. And of course, nandiyan ang kanyang control center, which papakita ko rin sa inyo a little bit later. Pwede mo set ang kanyang system mode, ang kanyang lighting, and of course, may lighting din sa likod. Astig. And another thing nga pala, medyo magaan tong laptop na ito. At less than 2 kg, well, exactly 1.99 kg. Yung design na talagang ganda. I love yung mecha design na dito sa likod, which looks very nice and futuristic. And probably for me, yung pinaka-win na dito is yung mga grills na dito na color orange, which looks very nice, especially if you pair it together with your GT20 Pro na mecha orange. It could have been perfect. Too bad si mecha blue ang napusuan ko. Kaya wala akong mecha orange. So pag-usapan natin some ports dito. On the right side, you have your SD card slot. You have your combo audio jack over here, USB-A na 3.1, and of course yung Kensington lock niya. Sa kanyang kaliwa naman, you have your USB Type-C port, USB-A na 3.1, and of course a HDMI port plus yung kanyang power port. Yun lang, medyo matipid siya sa port. I could have hoped for 2 USB-C port rather than 2 USB-A port. Kasi almost everything is being powered by USB Type-C na. Okay, so right now, pag-usapan na natin some of the specs na important dito sa laptop na ito that you should know. This is a 16-incher na gaming laptop from Infinix, and it has a 1920 by 1200 na display resolution, and it has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And main processor nito is a Core i9 na 13900H, and the main processor nito is a Core i9 na 13900H, which also comes together with a 32 gigs na memory. And it also comes together with a 1TB na storage, which you can also expand up to 4TB should you have the extra budget. Now, ang main graphics card is a NVIDIA na RTX 4060 for laptop. It's not the most powerful one, but it will give you a good gaming experience. And you can also use it for photo editing and video editing. Now, some other notable specs, it also supports Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6. It comes together with a 2MP na front-facing camera with dual mic, stereo speakers, and it's being powered by a 70Wh na lithium polymer battery. Ang kanyang charging brick is a 190 watts na adapter, and also comes together with a Windows 11 home single language dito, together with the bundle. So may 1-month free trial siya ng Microsoft 365, or pwede mo gamitin ang kanyang 5-day pass na Office bundle. Or kung meron ka sariling product key, you can just simply enter it. Now, pag-usapan na natin right now quickly ang kanyang control center. So you can choose between office mode, performance mode, or gaming mode. So if you want to save battery, go for office mode. If you want to go for a normal mode, just simply get the performance mode. Kung gusto mo talaga mag-heavy gaming, kailangan mo talaga mag-gaming mode. Now, there's a lot of light mode na pwede mong kalikutin dito. You can change your keyboard colors na, single color nga pala lang siya, no, guys. No? So I'll be changing from green to blue to pink. Now, kita nyo? So, to red or to yellow. So, it depends sa inyo. Pwede mo calibrate dito. Depende sa trip ninyo. But I'll always go for the blue. Yeah, lighter blue color. So, probably one of the more subtle color na maganda rin tignan. No? And also, what's nice din this kanya is yung kanyang kasama na free na gaming mouse is also RGB. So, it looks really nice and yeah, I kind of like it dito. It pairs together with this one good. Pati yung kanang gaming mousepad is also RGB colored. So kita mo gradient siya, no? Hindi siya single colored. Pansin mo dito sa side dito, it's a little bit color bluish on the right side, and on the other side kita mo medyo a little bit greenish, no? So gradient blue green, which I think is really looking good. And you can always switch the color dito depende sa trip ninyo. Touch sensitive siya, no? So wala siyang button. So I'll be switching between purple. So yan, palitan lang natin. Na pagdating sa back zone, pwede mo rin kalikutin. No? So you have everything to change. Pwede ka mag-custom or pwede ka single, no? Sa likod, meron siyang light bar dito sa likod na pwede mong kalikutin. And you can freely change this one between breathing or just steady colors. I prefer rainbowish color. So, ganito itsura na akin sa likod. And of course, pwede mo rin kalikutin ng system settings. You can disable your Windows key, turn on your fan to the max, or you can always turn on and off your USB charging in off mode. So, pag may nakakamit ka ng gadgets like smartphones, pwede siya mag-charge or pwede siyang hindi mag-charge while it's on its off state. Napag-usapan na natin right now ang kanyang display. And this one has a 16-inch 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Then, 16:10 ang kanyang full screen display. Meron din siyang 100% sRGB high color gamut. So, one of the things na gusto ko rin sa kanya is meron siyang anti-glare technology. So, normally, oftenly, when you see some laptops out there, yung kanyang screen is kind of shiny. So, mag-reflect siya, makita mo sarili mong reflection, or you'll see the reflection ng kung sino sumisilip sa likod. And it's kind of irritating, lalo kung may ilaw na nakatapat sa kanya, makita mo talagang glary siya. Unlike itong laptop na ito, it's definitely better kasi anti-glare na siya. So, pag makita mo na ilawan siya, mapapansin mo, kind of spreads out the light para hindi masakit sa inyong mata. So, ito, ilawan natin. So, kita mo, hindi siya, spread out niya yung ilaw, hindi siya nag-glare back sa iyo. Medyo tutok na yun. So ganun itsura. Normally, yung mga lights, kita mo ganito lang. For me, it's going to be a entertainment package. Overall, it's really nice manood ng videos dito, ng basketball games, ng mga horror movies dito. I would say, okay, I did watch a couple of films dito sa YouTube and I really like it. So, the more you watch dito sa laptop na ito, the more addictive it is. So, itong laptop na ito has stereo speaker, so meaning one on the lower bottom ng left and one on the lower bottom ng right, which is this one and this one. So, pakinggan lang natin gaano kalakas pag sinagana natin while watching a 4K video na aking unboxing ng GT20 Pro. Finally, lumabas na ang Infinix GT20 Pro. And marami sa inyo na dismaya nung hindi naglabas ng GT10 last year. Honestly, it's not the loudest na napakinggan ko in a gaming laptop, but it's pretty decent. But you can always use your headphones for better experience or more immersive experience while you're playing games. So sabi ni Infinix, this one has a 2MP na front-facing camera which can, well, probably let you stream while gaming. But tingnan na natin yung quality niya, no? And we'll be recording a audio using together with yung kanya default na 2 mics dito. So here goes. So hi guys, ako nga pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick, and right now you're watching the full review ng Infinix GTBOOK. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments kamusta ang quality ng audio and video. So since this is a Core i9 na 3900H, probably one of the more premium ones from Intel, so let's just run some benchmark na nakuha natin dito. And this is the score na nakuha ko sa kanyang CPU profile. Kaya max thread na nakita natin dito is 8,000 ang score. Ito ang score na nakuha ko sa Steel Nomad, 2,113. This is the score na nakuha ko naman sa Port Royal, 5,490. Time Spy giving me a 9,891 na score. And Solar Bay also got a 41,449 na score. Everything was good based dito sa kanyang benchmarking. Not the best, but it got a good score. So right now, we'll dive into gaming and share ko lang sa inyo aking experience. Now, before we continue, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung controller na gamit ko. It's a Cooler Master na Storm controller. This is a multi-device connectivity. It supports Bluetooth. It also has 40 hours of battery life. It's USB Type-C powered nga pala, by the way. And what I like dito sa kanya, ergonomic na design, and meron pa siyang pa-RGB dito, which is perfect for my setup. And masarap din kanyang grip, just like a Xbox controller. So if you want to check it out, link on the description. So right now, we'll be playing Forza Horizon 5. So, tinurn on natin ang DLSS. So, makita nyo dito. We also turn on frame generation. And we set it to 120 Hz of refresh rate. So, resolution natin dito is 1920 by 1200. And playing together with my Storm controller, Cooler Master, I would say the game experience was really nice. And sabi ko sa inyo, it's really smooth. And I'm getting roughly 115 to 120 of refresh rate. Consistent dito, FPS. Dito sa base sa aking counter dito sa upper left corner ko. Yeah, probably this is one of my favorite games pagdating sa PC, no? Si Forza Horizon 5. The graphics is smooth. Makita mo, no, wala kang mapapansin na frame drops dito sa kanya, except na ako yung nag-drop pa sa gilid ng road, no? So, this is definitely one of the games that you would love to play if you have the GTBOOK ni Infinix. So, right now, we'll be playing Red Dead Redemption 2. So, sinet natin, tinurn on natin ang NVIDIA DLSS sa quality. And we also put the graphics to level balance, pero yung texture quality na nilagay ko sa ultra. Playing the Red Dead Redemption, I would say the graphics is good. It was hovering at around mga 70 to 80 frames per second. And I feel it has an average of roughly 75 FPS. And I could say that this game was smooth, and playing this for roughly 30 minutes. Okay naman siya, no? Didn't have any sort of frame drops dito sa kanya. And the experience was really nice. So, ito ang mga settings na sinet ko sa Cyberpunk 2077. So, tinurn on natin DLSS Super Resolution, nilagay natin sa quality. Tinurn on ko rin ang DLSS Frame Generation dito, and ang kanyang Ray Tracing. So, playing this game, I would say smooth naman ang gameplay niya overall. And what's nice dito sa kanya is hovering at around mga 95 to 99 frames per second based sa aking gameplay. I'm playing for roughly mga 1 hour dito sa game na ito. I would say that it's pretty smooth. Wala naman na feel na any problems dito sa kanya or whatsoever. Overall, the experience was really nice. So I'm pretty sure pag itong game ang nilalaro mo, you'll definitely get the most out of your Cyberpunk experience. So pagdating naman sa Doom Eternal, ito ang settings na nilagay natin. We turn on Ray Tracing, we turn on DLSS, and we put it to performance mode, and ang kanya sharpness nilagay ko sa 55. So playing a quick game dito, I would say na okay itong Doom Eternal, no? So yung experience is good, and we're playing at around mga 180 FPS to 200. Yan ang ating average. The gameplay was good, and I would say na nakakamiss lang tong Doom Eternal. Has been one of the longest time since nilaro ko tong game na ito. And it's definitely one of the games na lalaroin ko again siguro sometime soon. So guys, after playing with this laptop for nearly 3 weeks, ano masasabi ko? Probably it's one of the lighter na gaming laptop out there in the market. It doesn't really look too much of a gaming laptop, but rather you can either use this for office, for school, or for gaming. Hindi siya masyadong halatado na sobra akong gamer dito sa laptop na ito. Siyempre, pwede mo i-turn off mga lighting dito sa control center para mukhang mas subtle siya konti, para hindi siya halatado na gaming laptop. Ang kanyang audio quality is katamtaman lang, hindi siya sobrang lakas katulad ng mga ibang more popular na gaming laptops out there. But for me, okay lang naman kasi most of the time, I prefer using my headphones when I'm gaming. And syempre, bundle nito comes together with a free headphones. And of course, if you buy early, this laptop comes together with a free RGB mouse, a RGB na gaming mousepad, and of course, a gaming headphones. So you have the option either choose for i5 or i9. But for me, if you're a serious gamer, go for the i9 series. Overall, for a first-time gaming laptop from Infinix, I would say na good job on this one. Magandang pagkagawa na. I love the way it is. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga sobrang heavy na laptop na I could hardly carry around. This one, just below 2 kilograms. Madaling ibit-bit kahit saan. So guys, kung gusto mo malaman kung saan pwede mabili itong laptop na ito, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And of course, if you like this video, share mo sa inyong mga friends. And sub to this channel would definitely be fantastic. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.